Corian Solid Surface is easy to clean and hygienic. When it looks clean, it is actually clean. The University of Antwerp completed testing to evaluate and confirm this statement. Following cleaning with a soap solution, the university took swab samples at the connection between the sink and worktop at 4 Corian Solid Surface and 4 non-solid surface kitchen installations. Corian Solid Surface sinks and worktops are non-porous and can be seamlessly integrated. This simplifies cleaning and prevents microorganisms from growing. In the university lab, all 8 samples were plated and growth of microorganisms was monitored and analyzed to enable comparison. The samples taken from Corian Solid Surface showed hardly any microorganisms were found. However, the samples taken from non-solid surface materials showed a high growth of microorganisms. These tests show the seamless nature of Corian Solid Surface significantly improves the cleaning process. Corian Solid Surface leaves no place for bacteria and microorganisms to grow, thanks to its non-porous nature and inconspicuous seams. Marks and stains on the surface can be easily and quickly removed to keep the surface truly clean. Corian Solid Surface is easy to clean and hygienic. When it looks clean, it is actually clean.